The mug by the window. Layla didn't consider herself sentimental. Her apartment was simple, her schedule was packed, and her life was practical. But there was one thing she never replaced: an old ceramic mug with a faded blue pattern. It had a small crack on the handle and a chip on the rim, but every morning, that's the mug she reached for. Always. She didn't think much about it until one rainy morning when the power was out and everything was silent. No laptop, no traffic, just the sound of rain tapping gently on the window pane. She made her coffee in silence and sat by the window with that old mug in her hands. For the first time in a long time, she paused. She stared at the drops sliding down the glass. She sipped slowly, feeling the warmth spread through her chest. And as she held the mug, memories surfaced. Early mornings with her grandmother, who used the same kind of cup. Laughter echoing in the kitchen. Quiet comfort in small things. The mug wasn't just a mug. It was a thread, tying her to a softer time. From then on, she treated her mornings differently. Not rushed, not filled with emails or plans. Just a few quiet moments with her coffee, her thoughts, and the sound of life gently beginning outside her window. She didn't tell anyone about it, but each day, that tiny ritual made her feel a little more whole.